it's the time of year again.
Christmas time.
And my friend here just got scammed for 15 euros and bought a car parts mystery box.
Now we will see if I really got scammed.
Or we found the best deal.
Hello everyone, my name is Cactus and this is Sydney. And today we have here a little bit of Christmas. Now, I bought this mystery box from Facebook Marketplace for 15 euros. There should be car parts only for Skoda Fabia, but I don't know what is really inside.
So we'll take the package, open it up, and see for ourselves.
There might be some total trash, or we could win a big prize.
We'll see.
If you watched our review about Skoda Fabia first generation, then we talked about a cup holder next to a radio. That cup holder is worth 80 euros. Maybe it is inside. We will see.
We'll see, we'll see.
Now, Sydney will open the package.
And try not to cut myself. Open sesame.
What do we have inside? We will put everything on the table and we will mark how much which part is worth.
Well, time to get scanned.
So, we can see that we have some parts that we can't identify right away. However, there is a solution for this. On every car part, there is written a specific code. If you put that code inside Google, you will get the exact name for the part. Total garbage.
Yep.
A wiring harness for engine control unit. Another wiring harness for some another control unit, useless also.
It's got scared.
Backing plate for headlight. It is pretty useful and valuable.
Which means money.
Another wiring harness.
Another one.
Another backing plate for the
Another
headlight.
one.
Cabin filter harness. Interior piece for air conditioning, pretty useful, and it looks
pretty.
and untouched, so it's pretty valuable also. Window switch, if it works, is pretty valuable. Some garbage,
Garbage number 2.
another garbage.
Garbage number 3.
This is
No.
dust cover.
No.
It's pretty worthless.
nothing here.
Another dust cover. Air conditioning resistor. Worth 15 euro.
We already got money back.
Another dust cover.
Nice.
Light bulb holding mechanism. Worth 20 euro.
Very nice.
A rubber bushing, pretty useless because it's used. Another taillight holding mechanism. Door panel
No panel.
is broken, so it's useless.
Like us. A couple.
Wiring harness for your instrument cluster. Useless. A rubber piece inside the trunk. Useless because no one cares about this piece.
Like about us. So, if you care about us, hit the like button, subscribe.
Yes. Seat belt buckle. Maybe someone will want it.
As a replacement for the seat belt, because they don't wear one, because they're idiot. Wear your seat belt.
Yes. Ashtray. Very useful. Looks intact, so it might be worth a little money. Trunk window wiper cover. Worth a couple bucks.
Ooh,
Electrical outlet. Pretty useful and pretty valuable.
could be expensive, could not. Depends.
Another air conditioning resistor.
Very nice. Now we have two.
Dashboard piece about the radio. It is very demanded piece and not very a lot of people have it. So
It's very nice to have one.
yes.
Yes.
Dashboard piece next to radio. Also very demanded piece. Dashboard piece that covers the place if you don't have the cup holder, which means we are about not to have our own cup holder, which is really sad.
Bit sad.
Another
resistor.
resistor. Another dashboard piece.
A co to jeszcze padło?
Trash.
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 Cables. Yum.
Now what do we have here?
Something very special.
Skoda VRS transmission shifter black.
That is mega epic.
It's pretty rare, and the new piece costs around 50 euros. Side market.
Trash. Wow, what a surprise!
More trash!
Wow!
And that's all. Okay. So, what is our outcome? We paid 15 euros for this mystery box. And we got stuff worth at least.
This number. This right here.
Is it worth buying mystery boxes like this? Absolutely not. Why not? Anyone can put literally anything inside that mystery box. And that means he can scam you a lot.
Very much.
For this amount of trash, it's not worth buying this stuff. However, if you can flip those things that we got, then it's useful.
I really don't mean this flipping.
And on that note, if you liked the video, consider hitting the like button,
Consider subscribing.
comment your favorite part of this video, and
Bye.
bye.
And Merry Christmas.